Hi friends, welcome to Junior's World. In this fun math class, we are going to learn addition in multiple ways. In this lesson, we will learn about what is an addition, the plus sign, the equal sign, and how to find the total. Let's start learning about addition. Addition means putting things together to find out how many we have in total. Whenever we add, we use this symbol plus. The plus sign shows that we are putting numbers together. These two small lines are called the equal sign. It tells us what the answer is. The equal sign always comes before the answer. So, let's start learning the addition sums. For example, here are two balloons on the left side and one balloon on the right side. How many balloons do we have in total? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. Yes, 2 plus 1 is equal 3. We have total 3 balloons. Let's try to count the birds. Here we are seeing 2 birds on the left side and 2 birds on the right side. How many are they in total? Let's count to know. 1, 2, 3, 4. In total, these are 4 birds. So 2 plus 2 equals 4. Here we are seeing 5 strawberries on the left side and 2 strawberries on the right side. How many strawberries we have in total? To find the answer, we have to count. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have total 7 strawberries. It means 5 plus 2 equals 7. Well done kids. I guess you have enjoyed and learned the picture addition. Now it's your turn to try the sum by your own. You can pause the video and try the picture addition sums on the next pages. Great job! We have learned and done the revision of picture addition sums. Now we will learn the single digit vertical addition with the help of pictures. Let's take an example. Here we are seeing 2 pink color fish, so we will write number 2, and 1 red color fish, so we will write number 1. How many fish do we have in total? Count the both color fish to get the answer. So start counting. 1, 2, 3. The answer is 3. So 2 plus 1 is equal 3. Here we have 3 red balls. So we will write number 3 on the top. We have 2 yellow balls. So we write number 2 under it. Now we will add them. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 3 plus 2 equals 5. That's how we do vertical addition. We have learned the single digit vertical addition. Now let's do the revision of it. Now we will learn how to do addition using fingers. It's very easy. Are you ready? Let's count using fingers. First, hold up 3 fingers. Now, hold up 2 fingers. Let's put them together and count all the fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, 3 plus 2 equals 5. Now, let's add with fingers again. First, hold up 4 fingers. Next, hold up 2 fingers. Now, count all the fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, 4 plus 2 equals 6. That's how we do finger addition. Excellent work, champs. You all did a great job learning addition today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and share this video and hit the subscribe button for more fun learning videos. Keep learning every day. See you soon in the next video.